Ano, Ompong? Ano nararamdaman mo ngayon?
Inggit.
Alright, so right here with me is Ompong Gabriel. Just watching over the sidelines. Sabi nga, magpapahinga lang. And he will be back stronger than ever. Alright, so ano rin nakikita mong laban? Ano na-observe mo? We have Bornok Macosong leading the race, followed by Mitch Rivero, Rob Rameto on third, and Wangtigan on fourth. Anong nakikita mo rito?
Labanan ng diskarte sa linya, tapos talagang endurance mo, kailangan malakas ka eh. Ako, kinakabahan ako, nanonood pa lang ako.
So, ibig sabihin, lamang yung consistent ka rito, no?
Opo.
Alright, so ano yung mga dapat paghandaan pagka ganitong karera?
Ano ba? Talagang training ko eh, tapos disiplina, tapos ano ba? Talagang pag-practice, talagang focus ka sa linya. Kasi kada lap, nag-iiba yung sitwasyon ng racetrack, kaya kailangan marami kang pinipiling linyang maganda.
Yan, so tama, sa practice, makakakita ka, maraming linya, kailangan mo lang practicein. Talagang para makadiskarte ka kung ano yung mas magandang daan, mas mabilis. So yan, so ito po, pinapakita ngayon ni Bornok Macosong, he is actually doing lots of line choosing talaga. Then of course, Mitch Rivera is also doing its best. So kung consistency lang, sa tingin ko, kailangan niya ng lahat ng rider. Alright, we have a blue flag, we have a lapper. Alright. So here comes Bornok Macosong. So kanina, Bornok Macosong finished second, and now is running first. And we have Mitch Rivera using that berm. So sa kanina, siya yung 1, tapos running second siya rito ngayon. So, pwede marami mangyari dahil hindi pa natin nakikita yung white flag. So, when you say white flag, that's the signal of the last lap. For now, we have lots of claps for the pro riders. And really, itetest dito yung inyong endurance, no? Yung lakas. Pati yung diskarte, pinapakita rin dito. Yun. So the man from Manila, Jeric Mitra, is also battling out. We have the top 5 riders. Namely, we have Bornok Macosong on first, Mitch Rivero on second, Rob Rameto on third, Wangtigan on fourth, and Jeric Mitra on fifth. So yun pala yung unofficial result natin. So tingnan natin ulit. Isa-isayin natin. Checking the finish. Bornok Macosong.
Layo ni Michi.
On the finish line jump, we have Mitch Rivera.
Hindi na ata ahabol eh.
A close bell for turn by Rob Rameto and Wangtigan. And Jeric Mitra on fifth. Here comes the rest of the pack. JC Reynosa on sixth. And rider number 7, the 7th rider is David Viterbo. So yun po yung pagkakasunod-sunod natin ngayon. But still, Bornok Macosong of Yamaha Enyos Racing Team leading the race. Followed by Mitch Rivero of Aussie Racing and Kojisan Racing Team. Bornok Macosong using that berm. Mitch Rivera checking in. Here comes Rob Rameto and Wangtigan. That's Jeric Mitra, followed by JC Reynosa. And we have a battle for David Viterbo. Tapos sa part bar by the two riders. Warlock Mangoso once again checking in. Rider from Davao. 13 retiring the race. Rivero from Cebu. Rob Roberto. Jarek Mitra. JC Reyosa. Also we have David Viterbo on the 7th spot. Alright, so Bandigan is on 4th. Alright, once again, that's Warlock Mangoso, Yamaha Enyos Racing Team. Mitch Rivero, Koji-san, Aussie Racing Team.
Layo ni Mitchie.
Rob Roberto, FJ Moto Racing Team. Bandigan. Jarek Mitra. JC Reyosa from Iriga. From Roman's Bike Shop. David Viterbo of EF Factory. This is just another day at the office. Warlock Mangoso having a very commanding lead over Mitch Rivera. Rob Roberto of FJ Moto. Those are your top three. Bandigan and Jarek Mitra, 4th and 5th respectively. JC Reyosa on 6th. David Viterbo is on 8th from Enduro Factory. Warlock Mangoso again crossing the finish line jump. Well, Mitch Rivero crossing the tabletop into the berm, followed by Rob Roberto. Bandigan on 4th. Jeric Mitra on 5th. JC Reynosa is on 6th. Here comes the Lion, scrubbing his way.
Last lap na, last lap.
Now I can see the white flag is being waved. Ladies and gentlemen, we're down to the last and final lap.
Sayang, di sila naggit-gitan. Layo kasi, ang layo ni Mitchie, oh. Wala nang chance mahabol yan.
Final lap for Borlock Magoso.
Magaling talaga ni Bernok. Pass out siguro Mitchie.
Final lap for Mitch Rivera.
At least, ano. 1-2 ang ano, standing.
For Ralph Rameto. Final lap for Gabagan. Bantigan. Followed by Jeric Mitra and JC Reynosa. Also another Bantigan, the brothers David Viterbo and Buboy Antonio. Nagkalimot-limot na. Ayan. So Buboy Antonio is from the JMS Racing Team.
Wala na, panalo na yan. Dito ako sa gitna ng dagat.
Wow! One-hander, no-footer.
Layo ko na.
Coming from Borlock Magoso.
Wala
Mga
kasi
nakikita
ano
ko lang,
din.
ginagawa ni Kuya Glenn Aguilar, Hilflinger.
Walang internet, kaya dito ako sa
Signature move
gitna
ni
ng dagat.
JA1, yung
Dito lang
Hilflinger.
malakas eh.
Alright, ladies and
Madali na.
gentlemen, from Yamaha Ineos Racing Team, Borlock Magoso! Followed by Rich Rivera from Kojisan Aussie Racing Team.